tout le monde, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Today's video is on masculine and feminine, so let's get started. In French, every noun is either masculine or feminine. If a noun is masculine, we use le for the and un for a. Similarly, for feminine, we use la for the and une for a. For example, le livre, the book, la voiture, the car. Words ending with age, me, and ism are most likely to be masculine. For example, le village, le gouvernement, le tourisme. Words ending with sion, sion, te, and et are most likely to be feminine. For example, la nation, la télévision, la liberté, la baguette. Examples in case of people gender are un frère, a brother, une sœur, a sister. For animals, it is un chat, a male cat, une chatte, a female cat. Here are some more examples. Acteur, actrice. Un acteur, a male actor. Une actrice is a female actor. Étudiant, étudiante. Un étudiant, a female student, a male student. Une étudiante is a female student. Now, here's a quick quiz. Try to guess the answer of the following questions. Choose the correct article. Dash livre. Option A is le and option B is la. What is the correct option? Try to guess. And the correct answer is A, le. Choose the correct article. Dash télévision. Option A is le and option B is la. Try to guess the correct answer quickly. And the correct answer is option B, la. Choose the correct article. Dash fromage. The first option is le. The second option is la. Try to guess it quickly. And the correct option is A, le. Choose the correct article. Dash liberté. Option A is le and option B is la. And the correct option is option B, la. Choose the correct article. Dash, sha, male cat. Here are your options. Option A is and option B is une. Try to guess it quickly. And the correct option is option A, un. Here are some important points to remember. French nouns are masculine or feminine. Look at the endings to guess genders. Match articles and adjectives. Practice makes perfect. Special tasks for my audience. First, write 3 masculine and 3 feminine nouns in the comments section. And this one is the most important one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more French lessons. Merci. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Au revoir. Bye.